integral which involve quadratic equations. For example, integral 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. This is integration what we normally used to do. For example, I have 1 upon integral x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. Normally what we used to do is we used to make over here perfect square and bring it either of the form integral 1 upon x square plus a square or x square minus a square, and then accordingly we apply the formula. Now the trick which I am going to use over here is you have to check this discriminant. Discriminant means what? D equals to, we have b square minus 4ac. Now if this discriminant, comparing with this and this, let's see, if this discriminant is less than 0, okay, then we have case 1, okay, and then it may be greater than 0, then we have case 2, okay. Now for case 1 formula, for case 1, the integral, okay, the integral of this is equals to 1 upon square root of mod of d is what? This d, okay, into tan inverse this, let's say this fx, okay, let's say let f of x equals to a x square plus bx plus c. Now this you have to differentiate with respect to x, f dash x upon square root of this d plus c, okay, for case 1. Now for case 2, now this is for case 1. For case 2, now if this discriminant means b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0, okay, greater than 0, then what we have to do is 1 upon square root of discriminant of d into log of what? Now you split this into two linear factor, means this, since this quadratic I can simply split into two terms, okay, for example x minus a into x minus b, okay. Now for example this, if this becomes this, then from these two terms you have to choose the lowest, which gives the lowest value. For example, when x equals to 0 in this particular term, whether a gives higher value or b gives higher value, okay, those lower value gives lower, you can say gives lower value of x, here gives higher value of x. This is what? This is higher, this is lower. In this, here in this term, in this we have quadratic equations, okay. Now you split into two terms. In these two terms, those value of x or those term which gives the lower value, that linear factor you have to write over here, and then in denominator you have to write those linear factor which gives the higher value, okay. These are the two cases. This is a shorter way how to solve these quadratic equations. Let's see by examples.